Heyo, what's up? Welcome to the stream. How you doing? Hope everyone's doing well. What up, Timothy, Froggy? Good morning, Dan, Seabass. Hello, Dragos. Good afternoon, Eddie, Christopher, Miguel, Arnesis, Kyle, Francisco, Grizz. How you doing? Tyler, Cypher. What's up, people? How we feeling? What's up, Alan? Harshov, Zachary, what up? RS, how you doing? Adrian, Jen, hello, good morning. Good morning. What's up, Jake? How you doing? All right, well, nice rally into the close yesterday. Pushed the daily candle green. First time in several sessions that we had a green close on the daily. And Nvidia had earnings, and Nvidia is currently up a good little bit here. Where's my list of stocks? Nvidia's up 3.6%, looks like. That's right. I don't know if that might be yesterday. That might not be accurate. Anyways, it's up a decent amount. I ended up not trading the XFAs yesterday. I did take a trade on my personal account. A few trades, tried shorting, I think it was it 400 or something? And then I ended up making $250 on my personal account, which was good. But I was reminded why I don't like trading Globex, and I'm officially making a rule: no trading Globex in the XFAs. Because I got chopped up last night. Thought I'd catch some nice moves, but no, I got wrecked. I got wrecked trading Globex last night. What's up, Dom? How you doing? What happened to the other two funded accounts? What do you mean, other two? I haven't showed you any of the funded accounts this morning. They're all the same. They're all fine. They're all... after some trading last night, though, I am starting the session down 420, which I really... that's not a fun spot to be in. I don't like opening the morning session down that much already. So I'll have to wait for a really good setup. So we'll see how that goes. Alberti, what up? Evan, how you doing? VD, Florida. Yeah, I got a heart rate monitor, that's for sure, Josh. Welcome to the stream. I'm not playing around over here. Or that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm just goofing off with the heart rate monitor. You can look at it two ways. Either I'm playing around or definitely not playing around. How she lose? 420 across 3. Anyhow, so got 30 seconds here till market opens. Nazi's gonna run into some supply here. Been pretty key the last few sessions, so we'll see if we can get some acceptance through here and grind higher. I got my personal account loaded up. We'll see if there's anything I like enough to take trades on. Let's have a great Thursday session. Let's get it. What's up, Matt? Good morning. How you doing? Miguel, you said pull back to 595 or 59.90.87. Okay. Gotcha. We'll see how that shakes out. Think the markets drop or recover today? Look, I'm swinging Q puts, so overall I would like to see a down move, but today I would not be surprised if it's a green day. Would not be surprised. I don't mind this kind of position with the Q puts. I have a good entry. I don't mind if it bounces against me a few sessions. So I would not be surprised if we put in a green candle today. Is a Hari monitor accurate? Yeah, dude. It's going right across my chest. It's really accurate. I work out with it, and I can attest to its accuracy. Just wait till someone starts trolling me in chat. My heart rate's gonna just shoot up there. Don't troll me today. I already had enough of that yesterday. Let's just keep it chill. Alrighty. What are we doing here? Up to 6,000's right there on ES. Spent plenty of time above it. Pre-market. Got a little got the past 2 days, previous day highs right there. In the 16s to 20s. Yeah, play Wordle. Wordle get my heart rate going. So we have a little 4-hour demand, I believe, is going to form here. I said TBD because this candle hasn't closed yet, but it did look like we just kind of tapped into that area with the opening candle there. And now let's see if we can grind through 375 on up through 400. That is key to watch. What's up, Blue Hand? Everything's going well, thank you. So I'm thinking, let's see, let me check on Nvidia. What's Nvidia doing? Okay, Nvidia got up to like around 136. It's down to 133 right now. Okay. Dan, you got another payout secured on on one XFA. Well done. Also on a new combine, max profit. Well done. Awesome. What band are you talking about? I'm trying. Are you talking about the red and green lines here? The vertical histogram of sorts. Is that what you're talking about? Chris, what's up? Good morning. Yeah, this is depth of market, and it's an overlay on the chart. Let's go. All right, here's a heat map. Name of the indicator is actually depth of market. I don't know what other platforms have it. It's just depth of market as an overlay. So yeah, I just know someone in chat a while ago told me about it in Motivwave, and I kind of like it. Pretty gross open, says Grizz. I think we're gonna get moving here into the upside. I don't think TV will have it because it's like an order flow tool, and TV doesn't really have order flow tools that I can think of. Dylan, look in the top left. Parshov, make sure there's not a yellow D on your trading view chart. Wait, you didn't say trading view. You did say trading view. Make sure it's not delayed data. You know, something could have gone wrong with your billing or whatever, and maybe you didn't realize that you don't have data. But here, you can compare my numbers. 72, 69, 66. I think MotiveWave is probably a little faster coming in, but they're roughly the same. MotiveWave is not free. No, MotiveWave costs money. Little trend line I just drew earlier. Again, I'm looking for the upside. ES looks like it might be getting some momentum going. I would like to see ES crack through this stuff, and it is a fair amount of traffic in the way here. I feel like a trade could be better on ES because of NQ's been relatively weak. The trade might be a little bit cleaner on ES this morning. You keep on hearing the disconnect sound on MotiveWave. Yeah, something's probably going on with your connection. Okay, hitting that trend line and rejecting so far. Yeah, I'm copy trading the multiple accounts on Topstep X. MotiveWave, I just have my one personal account. Well, these 5-minute candles so far. I mean, this one's got like a minute 45 on it, but directionless at the moment. How much have you grown your personal account? Yeah, right now it's down a little bit, so it's only up like 500 right now from including withdrawals and stuff. It's only about, I think, 500. I had a rough day on Tuesday on it. Otherwise, it's been going well. It's just Tuesday was rough. You find the funded accounts less stressful than the personal? No, I find the personal less stressful. I mean, it is real money you're making or losing, but you're not jumping through hoops to get it, you know? You're just like, okay, transfer from my bank. You know, you're not like, okay, now let me pass a test, you know? There's no test. It's just, do you have the money? Are you willing to risk it? So it's no rules other than your broker's margin requirements. So it's less stressful actually trading the personal account. But I don't trade it as often. Okay. Alrighty. I like this little move lower here. View up underneath. You're gonna make a bot that follows your trades on stream. Well, it's never gonna be that good because it's gonna be at least 8 seconds delayed. I mean, do it. I don't know how you'd make a bot out of it. I don't know how you'd program it, you know? Instantly profitable. What if the bot is more profitable than I am, being 8 seconds delayed? And that's the trick. All right, here's VWAP on both indices here. Better entries or worse, depends. Depends on how I'm hitting. Sometimes I get the really good entries, but other times, yeah, no. Definitely better off waiting. What's up, Andre? How you doing? I'm doing well. I'm feeling pretty good.
I'm feeling pretty good. Pretty good.
Yeah. Thanks for asking. All right, getting through VWAP here on Nazi. Down below, what do we like? Here's a settlement yesterday. Not a bad level. I think pivot's right below that. Not a bad level either. There's this little uptrend here that we're coming into as well. How much are you up so far? 2025 year to date. I don't know, man. It's not easy when you're trading the funding firms and you don't have payouts yet. You want me to like tally up everything I spent so far? I don't know. And then I'm in an open position as a swing position. You know, I'm up like 3,500 or something on that. You know, I don't know. You know, I don't care. It's not worth my time to calculate everything every week. I'm not like, oh, I made $800 and I spent $150. Like, I'm just gonna take it one trade at a time. All right, through pivot here. The question made your heart rate go up a few. Well, I'm just speaking animatedly. All right, nice little move lower. I wasn't really thinking that the move lower would be what we get off the jump here, but I'll take it, I guess. So when I mentioned that 4-hour demand TBD, did not hold. Did not hold. So at first it was looking like we might have 4-hour demand. No, not at the moment. Okay. So back in the 200s, you know, it's getting interesting. Spent a lot of time around here and the overnight. VIX climbing a little higher at $18. All right, through 200. Okay, this happened fast. This is like a fast, or sorry, this is like to me it feels like a slow 200 points. Does anyone else feel that? Like it just felt, I don't know. I mean, each candle was very solid, but I'm like honestly shocked that that's 200 points. It did not feel like that. That was just kind of surprising. It was like I don't know. It felt like it happened kind of in slow motion, but obviously really fast, you know? Does that make any sense? Yeah, like you're saying, Crypto, 200 points in 6 minutes is crazy fast. It just didn't feel fast. I gotta adjust the scale of the y-axis, I guess, because these are huge-ass candles. I mean, look at it. It's like that meme. It looks like, you know, when it falls off your computer screen onto the floor. That's what it looks like here on Topstep X. It looks like it should be going through like my monitor. Bro. I mean, this looks way more dramatic than Motive Wave scale, I guess. Imagine if you shorted the top. I mean, I have a very good imagination, so I could definitely imagine that. Imagine I shorted that with 2 minis on the personal account and the XFAs. It's my favorite way to, it's like playing the lottery. Imagine if I win 300 million. The candles are so even. Yeah, it's pretty orderly there. What's Nvidia? Nvidia sank through to its little support down here at 128. Let's see if we can get a bounce up to, you know, 250 pivot or something like that. And then maybe I would short, just going with the trend. Nice job, Froggy. Nice job, Midnight. Bouncing back, requesting payouts. That's how it's done. Well done. Matthew, you closed out your QQQ call at the top. Well done. Ballsy, I mean, I'm assuming you swung that call overnight with Nvidia earnings or something. Hi, Dan, do you offer a course? No, a free education here on YouTube. I'm not good enough to offer a course. I'm glad to share with you what I've learned. Maybe keep you out of trouble, maybe save some of your money. But, no. Does VIX typically close gaps? I don't look at VIX, VIX. I look at VIX futures. So I don't know. Okay, in the 20s now. ES, potential double bottom here. We'll see if we, we'll see if we continue this trend down or see if we get a V bottom recovery, something like that. I would expect, I think what I would expect maybe is to continue the trend down as opposed to a reversal here. But I'm glad to be proven wrong. Is Topstep only for futures? Yes. Have you tried Forex? Exclamation point Forex. Many years ago, I did one video trying Forex. It's pretty funny. Pretty amusing. What's YM doing? It's doing its own thing, says Dalton. It's just off in the retirement land. La da da da. Is this the right? This can't be the right contract. It's not YMH. What is it? Why is the volume so low? Oh, I don't think I have data for Dow on here. I think that's the issue. You're shorting NAS, Alpha. Alpha shorting NAS. Topstep doesn't care number of contracts. Well, as long as you're within the limits, I think it's fine. Target's 833. Oh, wow. Okay, so that's a massive short. That'd be awesome. That'd be awesome to get that that kind of movement. I'd love to be a part of that. So I hope that works out for you, Alpha. When can you request a payout on Apex if you hit the profit target? I don't know anymore because it's changed since I last used it. But someone in chat could probably help you out. Assuming, I think you need the 10 trading days, right? So, again, I don't know. I'm not up to date with the rules. And is that the bounce we're getting? I mean, we might just gotta short this. I don't know. Short here is like a 40-point stop. 50-point stop. Well, this is the kind of trade where I short it here, and someone's like, why are you shorting the lows? And then it drops like 300 points. Oh, Zach, a hero long. Oof. That is a bold long, my friend. Did you ban any trolls yesterday? I don't know, man. I personally didn't ban anyone, but got close. It's a little tempting here. I like one and then add to the position. So this is one micro on the personal here. And then if it starts breaking my way, I'll add to it. That way I'm at least in a little bit. Might hop into something similar on Topstep X. I'd much rather get in on a pullback, so you know that 230 pullback would have been a little bit nicer, but you have no idea how hard it's going to bounce, how much it's going to pull back. So it's just a hindsight talking on that one, but we'll see if I can I kind of just want to grab some momentum and kind of move my stop to safety on this. It's just because it's a kind of like feels like an extended drop here. What's the most accounts you blew in one day on Topstep? I don't know. I mean, you could just say like copy trading 5 accounts and then losing the 5. I don't know. You're up 10K. Okay, you're throwing out some sides there, Alpha. Good for you. So a little dip below. Was this little swing low here on ES, and then a little reclaim here. Let's see if that holds. All good, Evan. No one's pissed me off yet. I think I would add on a heavy close on the 1 minute. Nice weak candle. This is my personal account right here. XFA's over in the other window. I kind of want to pull the trigger, but I really want to catch momentum because of where stop placement would have to be. All right, so this is the heavy close I'm talking about here. So let's see how this 1 minute closes out. I think I add to this. Okay, I'll hop in for another one here. 2 micros. Let's see if that can get going. XFAs, I do kind of want to grab something. Again, I think I would play it pretty close to the chest, just trying to catch some momentum here. It's moving, it's starting to move fast, and I don't have a great entry spot. How do you get over the temptation to trade minis and only trade micros? Sometimes I do trade minis. Sometimes I give in. Up 170 on 2 micros there. Yeah, this would have been nice. Hey Alpha, I'm glad you're making money. Yeah, I don't think you need to update it all the time. You're gonna give people, you're gonna make people feel a certain type of way, you know. But like, nice job. But yeah, I don't think we need the real-time updates on the P&L. All right, so here's 100. Yeah, I feel like I'm sitting on the bleachers just watching this beautiful drop here. Alrighty. At least I got in on this trade, so on the personal account, so that's nice. Up 300 bucks really fast on, again, 2 micros. It's a small size, so you know, good money with micros. I'm not hating Alpha. I think good for you. I'm just saying. You know, we don't need. I just think it kind of clutters up chat. We already know that you're short size. It's fine. It just feels a little braggadocious. Gotta check the ego at the door if you want to be in the chat. So I'm just keeping you 100, man. No egos here. All right, this is awesome. I mean, really nice move. This is a, what, PDL? Is that PDL? PDL here. All good, all good, all good. 50-60 on ES there. I think I would scale one off around, so let's see, that's 21K even there. And my break even, let's at least trail a little bit here. Make sure I'm not gonna lose money. It's a nice drop. Already up a handful of points. I mean, this is, what's my average like there? Already up 108 points. And that's the kind of price action you dream about, and that we've been getting, for the most part, been getting some really great drops, which I love because I love shorting. I'm just feeling a little FOMO for not getting on the XFAs, but we'll see if I can get in later in the session. I mean, this is honestly, this is a large gain for this account. It's like a, what, 25% gain, 20%, 20, maybe like a 20% gain on the account. How do you check if your modal wave is fine? Just as long as everything looks smooth. I don't know. Just as long as the data looks accurate, I guess. Q-puts printing? Well, yeah. So I bought them 791. They're right around where I sold where I covered one. I took one off at 21 something. And so it's right around where I took that one off, which is a great spot. There's that red line on my chart there. Can you see that? That's where I covered the one on Tuesday, was it? So yeah, the puts are doing great. It's another big gain for that account. Whoops. Move over there. All right, I'm gonna take, boom, one off there. Sick freaking move, man. That's another big ass trade. You love it. I mean, that's fun. You know, 140 points. Your target's 883. I'll move down to 883 with you. We'll see if we can get 883. I'll front run you. Cool, looks good to me. Nice bag on the personal. That's real money, yeah, that's nice. Although, you know, to be honest, again, I would have rather have made this profit on the XFAs. I would have rather traded it here, just because it's you know, it's a grind to trade the 3 accounts and get them all to payouts and have a good balance in there. Like that's where it gets pretty interesting. So I love real money for sure, but sometimes you just would have been nice to have the XFAs going as well. The target, I'm doing the target from Alpha in chat, 883. I don't know. I mean, I see this wick down here. I don't know what else it's based on. Where's the candle? 883. Over here from what, the 27th or something. Maybe Alpha will share insights into that target. I don't really know, but I'll go with that. Looks good. Nice, Chris. Here we go, through 21. Puts her up to $22.27. It's a good hold on there. Guys, imagine if I shorted with 2 minis. I'd be like alpha rich. I'd be alpha rich. No, he's probably in what? You're alpha, you're in what? Like, what? I don't know, 5? It can't be 5, is it? Holy shit, look at this move. This is crazy, dude. This is crazy. Puts $23 now, Q puts. This is nuts. I'm here for it. That's very generous. No one's ever said that about my quote-unquote beard. This is yeah, this is a great drop. Even a late, closing your eyes and shorting just is paying because it's just such a awesome, fast, violent drop. Damn, this is gonna be a nice little trade here on this account. Holy crap! This will be very solid gain. So this with yesterday will kind of make up for some of my losses on Tuesday. Tuesday was embarrassing. I don't want to talk about it. Got to adjust the y-axis on all these charts here. Some large orders getting filled right here at 900s. I kind of want to just cover here. It's a pretty good drop. $833 or $883? See, I got in at 144s, 145 average about. And you got in at 278. Wow. Wild. Oh, I thought your target was 883. How long did you hold those puts for during the COVID crash? See, I just went back and looked when I did that 5-year video. And some of them I was selling before the 18th. I think the 18th was a big crash day. I think some of them I was actually selling. I think I held most of them for just a couple days. But again, it's kind of hard to look at in Robinhood because I was like, there's all these canceled orders. There's all these, ins and outs. It was kind of like hard for me to judge. I kind of just want to kill this here, so I can look for an XFA trade. Or I could just forget about this and focus on the XFA. Okay, so 833. Let me see what 833 relevance has, because I was looking at 883. 833? Yeah, I don't know why. How do you get your target, alpha? I see these wicks down here, but why 33 exactly? Is this some sort of... Oh, February 3rd? February 3rd? We didn't get down there on the 3rd, though. I don't know. All right. Oh, you're NAS. Okay. Well, NAS might be different targets. If you're looking for equal lows, then yeah, that's gonna be February 3rd equal lows. We've already cleared those on my chart. Nvidia calls FT this morning. Well, of course they did. Calls over earnings, dude, is a gamble, and even when you're right, IV crush will get you. It's tough. It's a tough endeavor there. So back to 21K here. Might be a good reshort here if we get a rejection. I'm gonna try the short here. Let's see. That might be a quick stop here. You went it short? I'm going with the momentum, man. You think it's just going to reverse that quickly? I don't really think so. And maybe I'm wrong. I just don't see this turning around on a dime here and bouncing up. It just doesn't seem as plausible to me. And 21K makes a good area to, I think, reshort. So I feel good about it, even if it's a stop out. You know, I think it's a good go with the momentum here. It's pretty heavy move. Yeah, maybe I'm right, maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. But you know, if we drop another 100 points, and you're like, I should have shorted the 21K retest. You know, it's one of those things that sometimes on these trend days you just gotta pull the trigger and let it ride. You know, and fortunately, if I didn't rack up these losses in Globex, like, you know, probably would give this more breathing room. But I want to make sure that the red day, if it is a red day, I don't want it to get out of control here. Thanks, Alpha. Appreciate it. Nice trade. Well, it's taking a little sweet time here. I might break even here. Might be regrettable. Are you green from your overnight trades? No, I'm down negative 420. Looks like I'll get stopped here. All right, out of that one. I'll tighten up the trail on this trade too. I think. Should I? The entry's pretty good. Actually, I could just hold this. You know, this could be like something we hold for a long time potentially. You know, I don't know. We're only down. Now's only down 0.9% on the day. Do I know if TradingView and Rhythmic have the exact same data feed for TradingView pay data? I don't know, man. Sorry. Maybe I'll leave that at break even. Oh, you're telling me. You know they have the exact same data feed. Okay, gotcha. What's your favorite food? I'm pretty basic. Pizza, tacos. Happy camper. It's good stuff, man. All right, so this 15-minute could be a little bullish hammer here, which could lend itself to a bigger little bounce. All right, nice buy up. Here's a PDL. PDL retest. Unless this gets smacked down, 15 minutes should close in a pretty bullish hammer there. Interesting. Well, let's see. RA3s. No, who was it? Kevin. Or was it Kevin? Someone said, yeah, Kevin. All right, decent call there. Not shorting 21K. Yeah, Nvidia came really close to tagging its like wick on the earnings wick. Looks like it was a few, just a little bit off of that, and it turned around there. Do we have Topgolf in the States? Oh yeah. Topgolf is pretty popular. I figured Topgolf was invented in the States. Feels very American. I have 3 funded accounts right now, walking. I wonder how much this is going to retrace on me. I mean, I'm still in this one micro. I hate giving back that many points. Kind of like a V bottom buy up here. I mean, it's a that's a large bounce at the moment. It's 200 points and counting. Yeah, it was a lot of volume on that 15-minute candle. You're right, Garrett. Slowing down a little here in the 21.1 level. How much drawdown do you have? I have a lot. Like 2,300 on one and 2,600 on the other, I think. Nice job, Alpha. Glad you like the music. Yeah, I should probably just exit at 900. I think 900 was a really nice little turnaround there. I'll give it to 100, a little bit above 100. You know, I'm at break even at the 140s, but you know, I don't know how much I really needed to, how much I should really let it go against me here. What's the most used leverage for you? Leverage is built into futures. It's not like crypto where you select a leverage amount. So right now, Eddie, you mentioned 50% retracement. So we dropped like 485 points. Right now, where my break even is essentially 50% retracement. So I'll give it a few points past 50% retracement there for the stop out. Yeah, it would suck if it stopped me out and then turns around. Here we come. 50% retracement incoming. That was a freaking massive bounce. That's crazy. I'll be interested to see. Here's 50% retracement. This purple line here. I'll be interested to see if we get a little rejection off that. But that's strong by it. Yeah, that trades on my personal account, Kevin. Here's 50% retracement. Boom. Tapped. And it's still going. Stopped out at break even. That's wild. Wild. I do wonder about that. It's a bit of a bigger bounce than, than I like to see for, for holding for more downside. That's a big ass bounce. There's no two ways about it. That's what 250 point bounce, yeah, and still going up to VWAP here. That's just a really quick recovery there. So pretty much just got one contract, 1 micro's worth out of that trade, unfortunately. But at least it was 140 points or whatever, so it's still pretty good. It's giving me a chance to get some entries on the XFAs. Okay, good. It's like, well, now I don't want it. I don't want it now. It's too aggressive, man. Freak me out. I'm staying hydrated. It's just to get ready for a pee break, because when I get a good short in and I have to take a pee break, that's like a 90% win rate trade. Market makers hate that one little trick. Alrighty. I don't even know what I like. Well, I don't even know what I want to see, to be honest. Hard to want to short after that buy up. Could do longs to VWAP somewhere. It might be interesting if ES comes back to VWAP and holds there, and I might pop long on Nazi. It's not a terrible idea. It's a 100 level, retest. These wicks right here, we just tapped it, so it's not the worst idea to try a long here. I'm a little worried, Gary. If I wait too long, I feel like we could just die down here. With the volatility could die down. It could just kind of just get messier, just choppy and. 100 buy, potentially be working here. Looking for the VWAP hold on ES too. Short it, bro? Not as long as VWAP's holding on ES. I don't want to short that. Wow, Grizz, over 2K today on your accounts combined. Well done. What a great week. And now for Friday, all you got to do is preserve that capital, and it's a win. Awesome. Inspiring stuff, man. Let me pull up MACD and RSI and see what I should do. 64% long on Topstep tilt here on Nazi. Now short. To where though? Tell me a target. Tell me a target, David. Quick. Give me a target. Give me a target. David, you're not giving me a target, man. 20? Okay, 81. That's it? That's not the best risk reward, my friend. I don't like that at all. Nah, no trade. I like the 100 retest right now. I think that was the best entry. You have to be sitting there with a limit order. But that right there is pretty clean. Yeah, exactly. I'm not inclined to short right now either. VWAP held really nice on ES, so I think a long is reasonable. I'll try a long here. Let's just see if we can get another little push here. Short 21,140. 21,140. Oh, like where we're at right now, 50%. No, I'm long right now. Let's see. I don't want to go against this right now. Pump it. I'm not really liking this right now. I may be in trouble on this one. Ouch. All right. Well, it's teasing me with the stop out. There it is. That sucks. That's a oversized red day for me there. Not pleased with that at all. You had to short it, bro? No, I didn't. There's plenty of reasons not to short that. All right. But you had to. I think we're getting lost on the definition of had here. I think that's the problem. All right, let's get back under 21, under PDL. Maybe there's another short on the board. Welcome, TBM viewers. Hope you caught some of that drop. I was short 2 micros, and then unfortunately one came back and just got me a break even. So ended up 167 short, 144.5 short, covered one at 03, and then the other one was like a kind of a break even hit there. So you know, it bounced against me pretty good there, but still a nice gain on the personal account. So now we're under 21, 1. ES gave up VWAP. Let's see what ES is looking like. Yeah, 15 minute. All right. 15 minute on NAS doesn't look bad to the downside. Why'd you not short it? Because there's a freaking really strong buy up, and I didn't really want to go against that. Just wanted to see if we could get a pop to VWAP. And it's easy to say in hindsight, oh, why'd you take the wrong side of the trade? Well, you're only saying that because I was wrong, and it's a binary outcome. If I was right, I would, you know, it's just like you're only speaking with the benefit of hindsight. So I'm sure you made money on the short. Good for you. Good. Make money. Don't worry about my money though. We waste your energy. All right, there's PDL. Back under here, I think I will feel better for a short. Back under this little section. All right, David, I'm going to block you in like 5 seconds if you keep saying that. It's just so annoying. See, like a micro short, still like it's like 100 points to the swing high, if not more. I'm drinking coffee right now. I just took a sip of coffee. Thanks, John. Appreciate it. There, coffee sip. Okay, there's PDL. Little bounce here. Let's see. VIX chilling at 1840. Nvidia kind of heading back lower there. The way the 15 minutes shaping up right now, I prefer the short side, but we'll see. You never know when buyers are just gonna really like what they see and just dive in. Wait to see what happens at PDL. You know, we're right there right now. Let's see. Little order block there, 63. Shorts at 2105, says Jacob. Okay, so you just want a little taste of it. You're not asking for too much there. Any specific settings for VWAP? Extended session. So for features, it's where features reopen the previous evening. All right, I'm gonna give this a whirl here on the personal account again. We'll just see if that can get going to the downside. 15 minute, I think, looks decent for another leg lower. Yeah, Man, what an entry. What an entry. Now that's an entry, guys. That's a great entry for a long. What up, Twisty? Long time no see. How you been? How's everything going with you, man? Buyers like it over here. Okay. PDL is not. Should have waited for the candle to close, I think, on the one. Short it, bro. Guess what? I'm already short and I'm sitting in drawdown here. This is a terrible, terrible entry. Heart rate spiking? No, it's not. 78, that's where it was before I entered the trade. So I'm going to give it to 100 and like 15 points past 100. So we'll see if it works out. If not, all right. That's the way it goes. Man, that was just like one of those entries where it's like if I wait like 10 seconds to enter, I'm not taking the trade. That was a quick stop out, giving back profit there. It was disgusting. Okay. Easy trades. I know you're trying to get like a rise out of me. That's fine, dude. If you don't want to be in this chat, that's fine. I don't mind. Nice shot, Parshov. Literally like made 140 points on my personal account. He's like, learn to trade. Okay. I mean, that's what I'm here to do anyways. I'm here to learn to trade. I'm not making any claims of being awesome anyways. So I don't, it doesn't really, you're not making the point you think you're making. It's not like a gotcha, Okay. I didn't say I was good at trading. Never said I was good at trading. Never. Silly people. Now buy my course and you'll be in good shape. What's up, Alex? Welcome. I still don't hate shorts up here, but I'm not trying again right now. Yeah, I mean, RS, when I was, like, what was it? Was it last week when I took 3 days off? It was kind of nice. It's kind of nice. Just did my own thing. Focused. Had some great trading days. It was nice. Peace and quiet. But I mean, I like, you know, I would say like 90% of the time it's like chills can be in here, you know, like every once in a while you just get the days of these trolls coming in for whatever reason. Probably they're bored or whatever. They you know, they need some they need to feel like good about themselves, so they try to like tear someone else down, that kind of thing. For the most part, I would say 90% of the streams we have a good time. And usually I'm getting trolled on red days. I mean, you could say I'm red on the XFAs, but you know, decent trade on the personal account. I feel pretty good about it. Pretty solid day. I'm up massive on my Q puts, so I'm feeling fine. What's your average stop loss point wise? It's not necessarily points I go off of. And it depends on the account I'm trading, so I think for NAS, you know, 15 to 20 points maybe. If it's like a micro, maybe I'm giving it 30, 50 points, something like that. Where do you think the market is going right now? Well, I'm swinging Q puts, if that tells you anything. I've been holding those since last week, and I'm still holding 2/3 of my position. So that would tell you I expect in the next week or so for new lows to be put in. You know, relative. My stop loss is based on vibes, says Tyler. Yeah, that's what I wanted to say, but it didn't. I just feel it out. It's like whatever level is giving like a green aura is where I put it. I wouldn't be surprised if it was like a few more hours of just kind of this meh, and then another like large leg, one direction or the other. I feel like the next hour we could just be doing some back and forth here. What's up, Artifact? Thanks for being here. Yeah, Drago says he puts a stop based on ATR. Yeah. The stop 2.5 times ATR. Yeah. Recap your status today. So here on stream, shorted 167, and then I added to 145 entry short. Covered one at 03.5, and covered the other at 144.5 for break even. So that put me up 325, 327, something like that. Then I tried a short here at 43 and stopped out. That was a 70-point stop out. These are large candles, so. And then on the XFAs, I took one trade on stream and took a loss. Or I took two trades. One was break even, then I took a loss in the other one. So, and I traded in Globex on the XFAs and got chopped up too. So I'm down large on the XFAs, 681. Yeah, Kevin, this is the first red. I didn't trade them yesterday. So, on one XFA was traded one day ahead of the other ones, so it has like a $300 advantage. And now it's not so much of an advantage, but so that would be $700. That'd be $2,300 drawdown on one, and $2,600 drawdown on the other, I think. TF25, do a financial juice or Forex Factory. Would you consider a long? Maybe. Nah, I don't really. It's okay. Yeah, thanks, Kevin. I was proud of that, not taking any trades on XFA yesterday, and then I finally traded my personal account and made money later in the day, so worked out well. Anything cool you're working on? Yeah, there's probably a few things, but mostly just grinding away here. I would think we pop this area here, and then, you know, VWAP is an okay target, or I mean, maybe it's something, maybe it's a bigger buy up, I don't know, but you know, for the long side, I think, I don't know, something like that would be okay. It's just not my favorite. Evan, you took your laptop to a clairvoyant yesterday because I was told she could predict futures. I lost my XFA. Thanks D2 Trades, appreciate it. No, I don't really trade. Every once in a while I'll take a trade on Dow, but not very often. What is it doing anyway? Alright, I don't have data on Dow on this account. I don't have Dow data. Thanks, Mark. Yeah. Month has gone alright. February's kind of rough, honestly. Past week has gone pretty well. Enter long off PDL if we get a strong little buy up. That's reasonable. Dow is for boomers. Yeah, that's what I always say. Granddaddy Dow. Yeah, Joe hasn't been in the stream very often. I don't know. He probably got that V bottom too. How'd you guys find Severance season 2? It's awesome. I think it's really good. I'm enjoying it. Here's PDO. What's up, Nev or Neve? What's up? How you doing? He's Topstep. He's Topstep walking. Can PDL hold again? Last time I entered right here. I should have waited for the candle to close. Fool me once. Feel like watching me play a horror game would be fun. I remember I had Fear back on the Xbox 360. It's pretty good. Is this a buy? Is this an avoid? We're gonna break through here. Just got your first payout this week from Topstep after 8 months. Well done. That is a milestone. Congratulations. It's not easy. Good job. Yeah. Price action is a little meh. What are your top 3 musical bands / groups? It depends on the era of me, you know? Just because, like, when I was, like, in middle school, Blink-182 was my favorite band. And it's still, like, one of my all-time favorites. In high school, Brand New was one of my favorite bands. Right now, Gaslight Anthem is one of my favorite bands. Gaslight Anthem, Jack's Mannequin, Bleachers. What are we doing here? What are we doing? Emo Dan would have been so hardcore, dude. I did dye my hair black when I was 17 or something. I had the emo bangs and everything. Some people did call me Emo Dan. It's a good time. You haven't heard of any of them? Oh. Just good music, man. I don't think you've seen the black hair pic of me, dude. That one's even hard for me to find. There's not very many pics of me with black hair. All right, while we're waiting here, let's bang out a Wordle. Wow, okay. Whoops. All right, we got O and E. Okay. Ending in E, so O's got to go there. Could be like, interesting. I'm gonna have to think about this Wordle here. This might be the move I was looking for earlier. Gotta be honest, my brain's not really in the Wordle zone right now. I'm like just a little usually I feel like I'm pretty good at Wordle, but I'm just I'm like barely thinking of any words. Can't be grape. We need an O in there. So it could be like a grope, but there's no R. So you could do, and the O can't be right there either. So that's what's a little tricky, is the O is probably going to go second, if I had to guess. So, and there's no U. But yeah, no, group doesn't work because the O, and there's no R, and the O can't be the third letter. So it's a bit of a thinker. He's got to go at the end though. Scope. O can't go third. O can't go third. That's what's making me think a little bit harder is, and it's got to end in E. So like, what's like a good C maybe? CE blank O blank CE blank blank O. So Ponce, no. So that combination maybe. Pretty decent if I could figure out. Kind of like that retest of PDL there to the short side. There's not a lot of momentum in the market right now. Yes, the Scone would have the O as the third letter. Same with Scope. I'm kind of contemplating a short here. Problem is, like ES, I can just see ES bouncing right here, and I don't really want it to bounce. Seeds, there's no E. There's not gonna be two E's right there. I mean, there could be, but it's unlikely because there's gotta be an O somewhere. So yeah, I guess that's impossible. You like the short Willie? Yeah, I don't think it's a terrible idea. Globe is O is the third letter. It's not that easy. I'm sure it'll click and it'll be obvious. O cannot be the third letter. You guys keep putting O in the third letter. There's plenty of, I mean, there's tons of words when O is the third letter, and it makes it a lot easier, but it's not. All right, I guess maybe a 21K. E's got to go at the end, and that's only 4 letters. So that's wrong on every account. I think we're onto something with like the noise. There's no I, there's no S, so there's no U. So, but I think the O, that kind of thing was pretty good. It doesn't have to be a C. Sponge almost, but no, that's not right. What's a word? I can't even think of anything. Dolce. I don't think they would count Dolce, but that's not a bad idea. We'll try it. Oh, okay. They do count it, and we found some good information there. So D and L. So L-O D G. There we go. Good. Dolce was a really good one. That gave us some help there. So nice one, Dragos. I'm glad I didn't short that. Would have gotten run over. Just to me, ES just seemed like a simple bounce, and it does look like we have a little bit of a channel going here, so just had to stay out of the way here. I like playing GeoGuessr. I just don't want. That seems like a trades by math thing. I don't really just want to hijack his thing. He jacked your BPM. Who cares? Yeah, well, I'd be a hypocrite then. I mean, I guess if I say, oh, this is not, you know, if I give them credit, then I don't mind that. What's global? Is that just like GeoGuessr? Global? Is that just global? Is that how you say it? Global game? Is it just the same thing? Every day there's a new mystery country. Your goal is to guess which country it is using the fewest number of guesses. The hotter the color, the closer to the answer. Okay. That sounds fun. Enter the name. Oh, you just have to guess any freaking country? All right, well, it's staring me right in the face. Let's do Brazil. Not even close. All right, let's try Mongolia. Closer. Let's try, we'll try Japan. Okay, Indonesia. Nope. South Korea. Oh, wait, let me keep guessing. Oh, mystery country is Indonesia. Oh, it's green. Oh, I got it right. Oh, cool. I was expecting to be like red or something. So Brazil, Mongolia, Japan, Indonesia. That's not a bad stats, I guess. Can you play again? How do you play again? Capitals. Okay, enter the name of a capital city. I don't know. What's a good capital? We'll do Seoul. I can't even tell what. I guess that's way out. It's not even a color. All right, let's do like Berlin or something. I'm confused. I don't even know what's happening. Like, I don't even know if I'm closer or not. Well, I don't know. Should we go to South America? No, it's got to be a not a state capital. It's got to be like a thing, country. Let's try like let's go to like Lima or something. Is this closer? I don't know. We're doing capitals, Parshab, not countries. Cooler? So wait, was I more? I was more right. So maybe over in this direction. Well, let's get Washington D.C. out of the way. It's warmer. Should I go to Africa? That seems pretty close. All right, I don't know a lot of capitals in Northwest Africa. Nairobi, I think, would be too far east. I think it's got to be probably up in Northwest Africa. Anyone know any capitals here? Or should I look one up? Like, what's the capital of Ethiopia? I'll just Google it. Ethiopia capital. Oh, Addis Ababa. Okay. Oh, that's west. That's east. I was thinking it was west. Okay, we'll do Liberia capital maybe. Monrovia. That's pretty close. Okay. It's not gonna be Cape Town. Cape Town would be too far away. I'm confused now. Should I go towards the green or the red? I don't really know how this works yet. Green, go towards green. So Central Africa, what's like the capital of Congo? Brazzaville, never heard of it. Man, this is gonna take forever. I just don't know any of these capitals. I don't know if they're trolling me because last time I guessed Indonesian, it was green and it was right. So I'm confused. I already did Rabat. All right. I guess time just to pull up Google Maps. Let's just cheat a little bit because otherwise it'll take me all day. Okay, you guys could be trolling me. I don't know about any of these. Cairo, I think is gonna be too far north. I might just give up. This is too hard when it's like there's so many freaking countries, man, and I don't know them that well. Oh man. I already did Rabat, guys. I'm like pretty close. I'm triangulating the area. Let's see. East Southern Africa. I gotta stay like on the coast here. Pretty sure. Jeez. The closest is Monrovia, so let's go back there. So maybe capital Sierra Leone. It's Freetown. So close. Yeah, it has to be closer to red. Yeah, I think you're right. What are we doing here? Back at 100 retest. Feel like nothing to write home about there. VWAP test on ES. Now, Accra's gonna be, well, we could try it. Let's try it. It's cooler. Freetown's still the closest. So it's gotta be along this, maybe Senegal. So freaking warm right now. This is just exhausting. Did I type that in wrong? Maybe it's not a capital. Okay. There it is. Got it. It's Bissau. Capital of Guinea-Bissau. Oh man, that was freaking so hard. Oh my gosh. It's fun, but man, that's freaking hard. Can you play any like the past games? Alright, back above 100 here. Maybe we get a little grind up. Sorry for the pain I put you through. I like the first game. The first game was fun. That was fun. That's good. We'll check that out tomorrow, maybe. I like that. Play chess at this rate. I mean, if you don't live in the if you don't even live in the continent, it's hard to know, you know, dozens of countries' capitals, you know, that you're just thousands of miles away from. You have to like study that stuff. Evan said I said Bissau 3 times now. If it's Bissau, I'm leaving. Well, sorry for not seeing your comment. Would have saved me a lot of time, Evan. But I was also staring at a map and trying to, you know, chat was of limited usefulness. Should do chess online matchup with one person from chat today. I haven't really played chess since I was a youngin'. I'm not that good at it. I can play backgammon. I like backgammon better, honestly. Even though it's a little bit more luck involved with the roll of the dice, but. Glad it was an empty threat. Okay, well. I mean, we're just kind of chilling right now. I mean, I would like to see us pop higher, since it seems like that's kind of what we want to do here. Break of the channel here, 15 minutes, decent little buy up there. So yeah, long is not terrible. It's just none of this is really enticing. It's very low volume, not super exciting to trade. And I already racked up some massive losses on the XFAs. I don't really want to trade this kind of price action for them. Maybe things will get a little better later in the session. It's a map quiz of U.S. states. This is Alabama. Oh, my home state. I gotta zoom in for Delaware. So friggin' small. Is there a zoom on this thing? Is it really not gonna let me zoom in? Where the F is Delaware? I mean, I don't even think Delaware is real. Where the F? I don't even know where Delaware is, honestly. Jesus. Skip Delaware. I mean, Rhode Island is like, I think that's Rhode Island right there. Oh, I got it. Okay, that's why I was confused. This is good for me. Already clicked on Maryland. Whoops. Oh shit. No, I'm not clicking on you, Virginia. Isn't that Rhode Island right there? Where do they put Rhode Island anyway? I can't. I'm just gonna click on all these small things until I get it. Connecticut. Nice move up there to VWAP. What does the orange mean? Okay. Yeah, control up on the mouse wheel to not zoom in, believe it or not. I'd have to like increase Chrome or something. Where are you from? I'm from Indiana. Yeah, I mean, a lot of Evan said, see, on this I would struggle. I love to make fun of Americans for not knowing geography, but I would struggle placing states on a map. Yeah, it's just, the United States are really big, you know, and then you have 50 of them to, like, learn. And, yeah, I mean, a lot of Americans are shit at geography, though. Just because they spend all the time, it's very U.S.-centric education. You learn about just all the freaking states here first, and then everything else is just a ancillary benefit. Now, I'd probably be pretty, I don't know how I would do on this one, because on Europe, because they start to all look the same to me. This could be embarrassing. Greece. So Turkey, Greece? No. That's gotta be Ukraine, right? Turkey, or... Yeah, it's gonna get tricky, especially starting with Greece. Can I skip this one? Oh, Bulgaria, I think I clicked on that. Monaco. It's small, right? Monaco? I gotta skip Monaco for now. Thank you. It's gotta be off France there. Is Belgium up? No. Serbia is gonna be... Let's see. Serbia... Liechtenstein's between Germany and... What? Austria? No, that's Luxembourg. Is it not right? There it is. Okay, got it. So small. No. Oops, not shit. Portugal. Swiss. Whoops. Malta. I don't know, man. I don't know Malta. Yeah, I can't zoom in on this either. Malta. I don't know. I found Montenegro, though. I'm going to skip under Italy. Okay. Got it. And Montenegro was Slovakia. Don't know. Slovakia. I'm gonna skip Slovakia. Latvia's gonna be up here, right? It's gotta be here. It gotta be. What is that? Estonia, Lithuania, Latvia? Isn't it something like that? Oh, right there. Okay. Austria's gonna be down there. Andorra. I don't really know where Andorra is. Something small. Something I can't see. Let's skip Andorra. Cyprus gotta be. Estonia's gonna be up here. Romania. Romania. Where is Romania? Ukraine. Let's see, we have, what, Finland, Norway, Sweden? Or is it Sweden, Norway? Sorry, Norway. I got it. North Macedonia is down... It's kind of big, isn't it? That's Poland, right? Is it down here? Yeah. Croatia's down here. Here. Damn it, where's Croatia? There. Albania, I think I just clicked on it. No, Belarus. Albania's up there. Where's Albania, dang it? I missed it. Slovakia. I still don't know Andorra. Someone tell me where Andorra is. I don't have 150k. XFAs have 100ks, and they're down today. France and Spain. Thank you. that was spot on. That was very good. Monaco. Oh, where did we say Monaco was? There. Okay. I've been to Slovenia. All right. Yeah, that was pretty tough on some of the smaller ones. That's fun. Pretty fun, pretty fun. Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania. It's hard to remember what order all those are in. Yeah, not bad for an American, right? But I think I'm above average in geography. I think it's kind of fun to do, look at maps and stuff. All right, Froggy, have a good one, man. Yeah, that was fun, though. I was working on, I think this was like maybe a year ago, or maybe a year and a half ago, 2 years ago. I was learning all the African countries, and I got to do a refresher before I do that on stream. Because I haven't looked at it in a long time. And then I think Asia could get hard with some sneaky countries that you just don't really think about. I could try an Asia one while we're just waiting for something to happen. Asia map game. All right, so up to VWAP, almost rejected. We're just kind of range bound right now, so hence why I'm playing map games. I already know this one's gonna be really hard. This is gonna be hard. For 3 points, where's Laos? No, that's Bhutan. No, idiot. Laos. Is that Laos? Yeah, this one's gonna be tough. See, I want to go back to the other side. The other side was better. Was it this? No. What side was I on? Yeah, I was right here. Okay. South Korea. Shit. Come on, let's start easy and work our way down. No, easier. No, not easy enough. This one's gonna get me. Yeah. Well, I know East Timor is east of West Timor. Shoot. Taiwan. Taiwan is that Taiwan? Okay. Not Laos yet. I'm not ready for it. I'm not ready for Laos yet, dude. Ugh, dude, Bahrain. I don't know, man. I don't think about Bahrain very often. Let's skip it for now. Oh, shoot. Yeah, this is going to be so hard. Armenia. It's got to be over here, right? Armenia. I got to skip it. Got to skip Armenia for now. That's over. Oman. Is it this one or the next one? There it is. Qatar is small, right? Shoot. Where's... It's gotta be... Yeah, okay, it's right there. I was just misclicking. Georgia. I don't remember what Georgia looks like, but former Soviet Union, right? Okay. Georgia's probably... maybe over here. There it is. Indonesia we just did. Turkmenistan's gonna be one of these guys. Yemen's gonna be over by Africa, right? I think I clicked on it first. Laos, I still don't know. Laos, is it really small? We have Thailand, Malaysia, Cambodia, and then Laos is probably one of the other ones. There it is. Afghanistan, I feel like I should know. Azerbaijan, I think I clicked on it over here, didn't I? Yeah. Israel. Whoops. Bangladesh's got to be over by India, right there. Nope. India and Pakistan, right? That's it. Tajikistan. Shoot. Tajikistan. I think I clicked on that one already. Okay, Singapore. All right, we got Thailand, Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand. It's got to be Singapore. Let me wait. Singapore. Oh, Singapore is Singapore. Okay, Japan, North Korea, China. It's a dot south of Malaysia. Oh. Is this it? There. Thank you. Sri Lanka. Brunei. I'm not really sure. Let's skip it for now. Lebanon's over. Whoops. Am I not? There it is. Okay, Vietnam, Bahrain. Let's skip Bahrain for now. Okay, I get the order of these wrong all the time. Okay. Syria. I think I clicked on it already. There it is. Kyrgyzstan. Okay, Bhutan, it's your chance. Was that Bhutan? No, that's Nepal. There it is. I still don't remember Bahrain. I probably clicked on it. Whoops. Philippines. Still don't know Brunei, guys. Brunei. Skip. Stop saying Brunei. I still don't know where you are. Brunei. Down here? Where's Brunei? I don't know. It's that one. Okay. Okay. Kuwait. Is it tiny? Yes, it is. Armenia. Armenia's not that small. Are these maps in play? No? Okay. Alright, who knows where Armenia is? That's Kazakhstan, right? So nothing looks like Armenia to me. Yeah, I mean, I don't even know what's in play here. To the west, I mean, I don't think any of these are clickable. What else is there to the west? Oh, it's really small? I don't guess that I didn't know it was that small. Cool. All right. East Timor. I mean, I don't know. Is it over here? That's part of Malaysia? I have no idea where East Timor is. Is it something so small? Oh, I didn't even know that was a clickable. Myanmar. What else is clickable that I'm not clicking? I feel like I'm not seeing something. This is what we have: Cambodia and I already did Malaysia, right? Oh, there it is. Huh. Yeah, that was tough. That was tougher. It's pretty fun though. This is a new method of making sure your trade plays out. I mean, if I was in a nice hold there, didn't want to sweat any pullbacks. Yeah, this is a good distraction. All right, what were the real tricky ones? I mean, there's so many stumpers that you don't even think about. Yemen and Oman, I never remember which order they're in. Same with Thailand, Cambodia, Malaysia, Myanmar. I know they're all right there along the coast. That's fun. That's a good one. What else we got? South America, I think I would do terribly at. I think I'd be pretty bad at South America. Like I said, I don't even want to do. I gotta narrow it down first. Right on the equator, right? I don't know. I'm gonna skip that one. It's one of these. There. Oh, that's Paraguay. It's one of these two. Oh, okay. That went better than I thought it would go. Did that one pretty fast. There's not too many countries to worry about there. Uruguay, Paraguay, so it's like alphabetical order, B, P, U for those smaller ones. Then along the top, GSFG. So it's Suriname gets in between Guyana and French Guiana. Okay. Pretty good, pretty good. That was fun. Imagine doing like mountain ranges or rivers or something. That'd be so hard. Jagos, catch you later, man. Yeah, this price action sucks right now. That's why I'm goofing off here with geography. Just we're getting a little smarter here. I don't think I could do Central America well at all. Same with the Caribbean. I would be terrible at it. Ever catch Gaslight at Stone Pony? No, man, I wish. I've seen Gaslight in Chicago a couple times. I've seen Brian Fallon solo in LA several times. I'm a big Gaslight fan. I think I could do the Capital as well. Do they have a Capital game? State Capitals. Oh, you just, yeah, well. Oops. Oh, Salem, Oregon. I was thinking Massachusetts. Oh my gosh. Hartford? Okay, there we go. Whoops. Whoops. How am I supposed to get Washington, D.C. on here? There it is. Okay. Augusta? I was thinking Georgia. Augusta, Maine, right? Providence is going to be Rhode Island. Montgomery? Why is that not ringing a single bell for me? Montgomery? What is Montgomery the capital of? I'm drawing blanks on Montgomery. Alabama? Alright, yeah, Montgomery, Alabama. Okay. That's, I just could not even think of it. I was like, what on earth? Wait, Harrisburg is... Oh, Pennsylvania. Helena. Concord. New Hampshire. Dover was right there. Boys, the dogs are going crazy, man. Charleston. It's not South Carolina, right? Charleston. We already did South Carolina. That was Columbia. Charleston. We already did. It was Columbia for South Carolina. Charleston's on the coast and it's not the capital. Yeah, West Virginia. West Virginia. Thank you. All right. Yeah, it's funny because some of the state capitals are just not the most popular state at all, or sorry, city in the state at all. And so you don't even, if you're not in from that region, you don't even think about that city. A lot of states, it's just like the government stuff, and that's about it. Like Illinois, Springfield, Illinois, it's kind of a smaller town. Lansing, Michigan, you know, you think of Detroit, maybe Ann Arbor, you know, maybe Grand Rapids. You don't really think about Lansing very often. All right, well, that was fun. That was fun. Not much to do, really. I mean, I'm not seeing anything good. I hope something... I mean, I might just have to lock in that red day on the XFAs, unfortunately. But that's just the way it's going. I'm not liking this price action. I got a phone call here in like 15 minutes too, so... yeah, easiest one is Indianapolis, I agree. It's also my hometown, so... But it's... The state's in the name, so it's easy. That was fun. Glad I got a little bag on the personal account, but thanks for hanging out. Hope you have a good rest of your day. I'll see you guys tomorrow for a Friday stream. What do you know? Another week gone by. Have a good one. See ya.